Viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we'll be solving a question from RBI Assistant Prelim 2020 question paper. A certain sum money lent out at simple interest, that is, it is given out, lent out to rupees 2,400 in 4 years and rupees 3,000 in 6 years. So find the rate of interest per annum. So which is the amount they are given, they have lent out is rupees 2,400 in 4 years and rupees 3,000 in 6 years. So basically both are same. That is, this amount which is given out will be written as rupees 2,400 in 4 years or rupees 3,000 in 6 years. So we have to find the amount and also the rate of interest at which it is given. So the formula we will be using is, this is the same formula, which is simple interest equals P times R, rate of interest times time period divided by 100. And again, SI, the simple interest is equals minus principal. Therefore, it is amount minus principal, that is the original amount, equals PRT, that is principal, multiplied by rate of interest, multiplied by time period, divided by 100. So the data we have from the question is 2,400, which is the amount, and the time period is 4 years. So substituting that value, so amount is 1,400 and we are not sure about the principal amount, so write as it is P equals same, P is not known, times R is also not, multiplied by the time period as 4 years. So 4 divided by 100. So this equation can be simplified in a number of ways, but I'm going to stick with one method here, which will be the easier one. Now the second equation that can be obtained from the second given data is this one. So which is again amount, which is 3,000 minus principal, we don't know, so we're writing P as it is, which is equal P times R, rate of interest, we don't know, times the time period they gave here is 6 years. So 6 divided by 100. So since we have these two equations, we can simplify this to find the values. So which is, so P can be simplified here. So just changing the sign. So positive 3,000 is changed to negative 3,000. Negative is changed to positive to get this P cancelled out. So I'm changing the sign for the lower equation. And this is positive. So I'm changing it as negative. So by cancelling this, positive P and negative P gets cancelled out. So on the left hand side, it is 2,400 minus 3,000. And here it is P times R times 4 divided by 100 minus P times R times 6 divided by 100. So simplifying this, which is 2,400 minus 3,000 is minus 600 equals 100 is LCM, which is 4 PR minus 6 PR. So equals cross multiplication minus 600 into 100. I'm just going step by step, but you can skip the steps. You can directly write the answer because we'll not be having that much time during the exam. So minus 2 PR. So which is minus minus gets cancelled. So 600 times 100 is 60000, which is equals 2 PR. Therefore PR equals 60,000 divided by 2. This 2 comes here. So PR equals 60,000 divided by 2, which is equals 30,000. So substituting this 30,000 in one of the equation. So whichever is easy for you, I'll just go with the first equation here. So which is 2,400 minus P equals PR times 4 divided by 100. So substituting the PR value, which is 2,400 minus P equals PR is 30,000 times 4 divided by 100. So 0 gets cancelled. 300 times 4 is 1,200. So taking it to the other side becomes P equals 2,400 minus 1,200. So therefore value of P we got, which is 1,200. Since we have got the value of P, we can just substitute in this equation again and we can find the value. So again, you can go with one of to this equation, 1 or 2, anything is fine. So which is equals, I'll just do it parallelly here. So 2,400 minus P we know is 1,200 equals P we know is 1,200 times R times 4 divided by 100. So which is equals the zeros. Simplify it as much as possible. So 1,200 divided by 4 times 12 equals R. That is, this 12 and this 4 comes below here. So which is 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 100 is 1200, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 25 is 100. So which means R equals 25%. So this R is the 25% which they are given. But there is another simple method which this can be done. So I'm just going to work on the method 2 also. So here, so 4 years it is 2,400 and 6 years it is 3,600. So 2,400 rupees in 4 years and 3,000 rupees in 6 years. That is the simple interest they gave. So which means 4 minus 6 for simple interest in 2 years is 3,000 minus 2,400, which is minus 2,400, which is equal 600, right? So for therefore simple interest in 1 year is equals 300. So this simple interest we have directly found here. Now we have to find the principal. So principal can be found by the formula we know is simple interest equals amount minus principal. So this is the formula we can use. So from the first equation, it is given us 4 years. The time period they have given us 4 years. So I have to find the simple interest for 4 years also. So simple interest 1 year we know, which is 300. Therefore simple interest for 4 years equals 4 times 300, right? So which is equals 1200 rupees. So and the amount is again, this is amount 2400. So which is SI we got is 1200 equals amount is 2400 minus principal. So rearranging the equation, principal equals 2400 minus 1200. So P equals, that is the principal we got here is 1200. Now I know all the values. I'm just going to substitute in the formula. The formula we know is simple interest equals PRT by 100. P times R times time divided by 100 multiplied by. So all the data we have here is in 4 years. So which is simple interest for 4 years was 1200, which is equals principal for 4 years was 1200 times R I have to find, multiplied by T was 4 years divided by 100. So rearranging this equation, 1200 times 100 divided by 1200 times 4, which is equals R. So this thing, the 4 and the 1200 comes down here, 100 goes here. So 1200 cancels, 100 divided by 4 equals 25. Therefore the R rate of interest equals 25%. This is the other method which can be easily found, but please stick with the one which is easier for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.